Now, this is a big update when it comes to the dates that have now been announced for the two exams, but right now we'll be shifting focus. After the drubbing in the Lok Sabha elections, the Mahayuti has an eye on the Maharashtra Assembly polls, slashing the price of petrol by 65 paise and diesel by 2 rupees in the Mumbai region. This in an attempt to woo the urban voter. Now, the revised prices will be implemented from the 1st of July. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde said that the decision was made to provide major relief to lakhs of citizens. The price cut will result in around 200 crore rupee reduction in fuel tax earnings for the state on an annual basis. Now, this is an attempt by the Maharashtra government to essentially give the urban voter a bit of relief when it comes to fuel prices. But remember, this is not the first time this has happened. This is the second time that the state has reduced taxes on fuel. Back in July of 2022, it had actually reduced the cess on petrol by 5 rupees and on diesel by about 3 rupees. The petrol price had been brought down to about 106.31 rupees and diesel to about 94.27 rupees per litre at that point. That was back in July of 22. But with this attempt now, the Maharashtra government is again eyeing the upcoming assembly polls. We will get you more details on this. We're crossing over to my colleague Shweta, who joins us now. Shweta, how much relief do you think this is going to be giving to the urban voter? 65 paise when it comes to petrol.
Well, absolutely. Here, let me take you through the current prices, which after the VAT reduction is being given to Mumbaikars. If we just speak about petrol, it's been seen at 74 rupees 60 paise, and right, if we just see on diesel, it's 103 rupees somewhere. So we'll just quickly have a word. Sir, इस वक्त पेट्रोल का दाम क्या है? Well, here we see that there is some relief been given after the reduction in the VAT prices. We'll just connect with some of the commuters here to understand that how much relief they are getting. Ma'am, I would just like to ask you, there's reduction in petrol and diesel prices. आपको राहत है?
थोड़ी
राहत है आपको?
Yes.
क्योंकि VAT के जो प्राइसेस है वो कम कर दिए गए हैं, तो आपको बजट पे भी इस पे रिलीफ मिलेगा?
थोड़ा सा अभी तो पहले बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती थी, बट अभी थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम कम है.
However, people are not feeling much relief after this. It's just that there's a slight reduction that has taken place. We'll just quickly speak to some of them. Sir, पेट्रोल और डीजल के जो VAT प्राइसेस है वो थोड़े कम कर दिए गए, कितनी राहत है?
सेम तो प्राइस दिख रहा है मैम.
नहीं, उस पे जो आपको VAT रिडक्शन है वो आपको थोड़ी कमी हो गए हैं.
अभी तक तो कुछ पता ही नहीं चला.
1 जुलाई से ये इफेक्ट में आएगा.
1 जुलाई से आएगा ना, तो तब पता चलेगा. अभी मैम अभी इस पे तो पता ही नहीं चलेगा. अभी तो ऑलरेडी बिल जा रहा है यहाँ पे.
आपको आपके बजट में क्या किसी प्रकार का अंतर लगेगा, नहीं लगेगा? 1 जुलाई से
अगर कम होता है तो फर्क तो पड़ेगा ही ना मैम. फर्क तो पड़ेगा ही.
नहीं, ये सरकार का फैसला आया था कि वो वैट में अभी प्राइसेस कम करेंगे. असेंबली सेशन में बताया गया है.
करेंगे तो बेस्ट है, सब पब्लिक को भी फायदा होगा उसमें.
Well, it's just that not great relief to commuters, but yes, some relief when it comes to the reduction in VAT prices, so that directly the petrol prices as well as diesel prices would be reduced. As far as petrol prices are concerned, 65 paise will be the reduction done in petrol, and as far as diesel is concerned, near about 2 rupees will be reduced. So clearly here we see it's been a slight relief for the commuters and the people residing in the jurisdiction of Mumbai, Thane and Palghar. Back to you.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.